Okay. Wait for me.
All right. Use the share. Click on share.
Oh, I forgot. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see your cursor now. Okay.
Let me share my screen.
Okay. Let's start. I first have to go to edit. Go to document. Okay. At first I have to change the name. Okay. I need to clone the clip first.
All right.
Okay. And then I do the migration. Okay. Okay. I see. Then I see the DB.
Yeah.
No legs. No. Okay, sorry. If I get.
I think you have to run bundle install first. Without production.
Yeah. Do you understand why we need to add this without production?
So it will
Pardon?
not a development system.
Please talk it again because your sound just disappears for a moment. Why we
Uh,
why?
so the gem installer from installing the production gem on your development machine.
Uh-huh.
Hello?
Oh, okay.
Do you get that? Or
Yep.
maybe let me type it for you.
Okay. Because it's disappear again. Sorry.
You see my message?
Yeah, I see it. It will stop the vendor from installing the version gem on your developing machine. Okay. Why we don't want to install the production gem in um
Development
development
machine.
machine?
And because
Because
we don't need it in our development machine.
let's see, in this, the production machine is a PG and rail 12
Raise
factor.
12 factor.
Okay, maybe we don't want it now. Okay, I understand it. Thank you. Okay, let's see it again. Okay.
No, you can use the name of the app. Okay.
Okay, I just want
Eh,
to create everything now.
Now you have to push it. Roku, git push Roku master. No, you have to. Okay. No, you have to push it first before. You have to push first.
Okay. Sorry.
Roku run.
Okay. Okay, we done with the setup, and now
Set the
let's
start.
start with the sorting first. Okay. Okay. Who will be the die first?
I think maybe I should try first.
Okay. I'm first diver. I'm Honor. Uh, let's start. Okay. This is, we will start by creating the CSS file. The CSS,
Yeah. All right.
okay, in the access, and then
Default.
applications
No. You need default.css.
default. Really? Because in the oh yeah, default.
Default.css.
Okay. I just see something in the application. The application CSS it already give
It's already.
this.
No. I think maybe this one is your own backup file. Your backup.
Pardon? Pardon? Hello? Okay.
I,
You're back. Sorry, your sound just disappeared again.
I said this application of CSS. I don't know application of CSS.
Hello?
So it doesn't have.
Okay. Sorry. It seems like the internet connection between you and me
It's very bad.
is not really good.
And so I will be
So
typing.
may you please turn off your webcam?
Okay.
Oh, you just share the screen, okay?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I'm not sure why my application the CSS have this. So I remove it.
Let me check. I'm coming. Let me check my application of CSS if you have the same file.
Okay. Do you? Do you have it?
No, no, no. It's not in the application of CSS.
Okay. That is listening. Let's start. So we put the CSS in the CSS file, and then I will create the task in this list. Uh, they said that make the column header for movie title and release date into
Clickable.
clickable. So this is the
Clickable
first
link.
one. Yeah. So this is my first task to make it clickable.
All right.
Make it clickable. So I need to start as the view.
View your
Yeah.
movies.
Movie, and then maybe it is index. Okay, because whoa. Okay. Oh, why? Why all of the thing I already finished was
I think this is not the file you're supposed to edit. This is your old file. Check for.
object. This is why. Okay, and I just I
Top one.
just
Use it. Use the top one.
yeah, I use the top one, but I don't understand this. This is already the top one. The top one is the thing that we just clone for the moment. Why it show this? Maybe. So would you mind if I remove it and clone it again?
I think yeah, my rotten potato. So for my rotten potato.
Pardon? Hello?
I said check your my rotten potato.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your sound
Send me the text.
is not quite clear for now. When you start to talk, it just disappear, and when you stop, it just come back. I'm not sure why.
Video call. Eh? Video call. Have you seen what I said?
Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, maybe it's not because in the My Rotten Potato have only application .css. There is no default .css because this folder I created for a long time when I follow the exercise in the book.
Okay.
Okay, but I don't understand why I just clone it from the grid. From this github.com/book.
Maybe you should. I think you should clone it. I'm calling one second.
Would you mind? Or would you mind if I clone it again? Or what else your suggestion? Or I just delete it? Okay, maybe I delete it. Maybe it's more quick. I just delete this. Okay, and then I remove all of it and okay, okay, and then maybe I need to okay movie. Okay, let's make it to be the kickable. Pretend that we don't know. Okay. All right. String 2 and make it either string. Okay, this is the first parameter, and then make it clickable to be. I make it very simple version, just clickable. Then we move it into the movie pass. Right? All right. That is.
I think you should have the app running on your Cloud9. Rails. I said run the app on your Cloud9. Rails server -p minus. You get what I said?
Yeah. I hear it. Okay. I'm running. And IP. Then okay. Okay. Just click to show. Okay. I make it clickable. Yeah, I'm finished the task. So it's time to swap the role. Okay.
So for example, okay, let me read picking the release date column. Should display. Okay, let me. Which file are you editing? Show me the file you are editing.
Okay, and just show. Okay.
Okay. Controllers. Alright, I have it open now.
Okay, it seems right. The second task is to when after the clicking, the column header is source. So
Okay,
this
I have to start from the controller. Oh, let me start from.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Oh, we can do this. Okay.
So let me in the application controller. You have to edit your your controller.
Pardon? Controller?
Your controller, you have all the code in your controller already, so you have to make changes to your controller.
I'm not understand what is the controller. Sorry.
Okay.
Controller. Okay. Okay. Open the controller. Whoa, it's already done. That's it. Why? So we just remove all the controller. Let me remove it. Oop, and just return. We oh. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Sorry. Okay. You just retrieve the parameter from the wheel. That's called source. Assign to the instant variable name source,
Yeah.
and then you order it. Okay. Wow, that's so short.
Try that.
Yeah. Okay, maybe we need to remove the first line because we don't need it now.
No, you need it.
Really?
No, you need it. You need it. You know, you are assigning the movie. You are getting all the movies from the database directly to the at movies variable. So I'm just adding another, chaining another method call to the at movies variable. So it will just sort it after getting it, then sort.
Okay. 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 Let's try it. Just click. Just click. Oh, it show the URI in red full style. That is the get sign, but it's still not sort. Maybe I I can refactor your
So leave it.
code.
Leave it. Leave it. I'm gone.
Okay.
You see my message?
Yep. So
Send me the link of.
you okay, and I think we can make it shorter by using the code like this.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
But
and
since
we
we have
can uh-huh. and we can remove
This
the first line.
first line, okay.
Yeah.
But what if you don't want to sort? What if you have not tried to sort? Then this will fail.
Okay, I understand. I understand. But
Send me the link to the running app.
okay, the link of, you
The
mean
running app.
the link of this application, right? Okay.
Yes. All right. Is it working out?
Oh, okay. It's working
It's sorting.
now. It's starting. Great work. It's great. So it's my turn. It's my turn.
All right.
All right. Okay. The next thing, after we clicking the header and its source in order. Okay. When the listing page is redisplayed with sort on the column enable, the column header that was selected for sorting should appear with the yellow background
Yellow. Um,
as shown below. So for now, we should apply the CSS
class.
class to the variable in controller. Its name highlight. Okay,
Yes.
the highlight. So at first, I need to come back to the index html.html, and then for this term, I need to assign the class to the th, because this is the area that I want to apply the background color. So um, at this, I will use this class. Okay. Maybe.
It's just a rocket symbol. You have to make it this rocket.
Uh,
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
sorry, sir. Okay, okay, okay.
I'll remove it.
Okay, okay. Okay. Uh,
Mm, I don't think you have to be doing that. Eh, should I drive now?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is what I did. This is what I did. Okay. I to look in the controller code. I'm editing the controller code.
Okay, okay,
This is the
and
one that. Sorry. Okay. So let me.
okay.
So
Then
classes. It was okay. Look at this.
you put is the class variable.
At
Okay, title.
right.
Okay,
If yeah. Yeah, you
okay,
can do the same thing for the release date.
okay.
Just try it out.
I think we just need to remove the open parenthesis.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Save it now. Oh, I didn't close the parentheses. Sorry.
Um.
Is it working?
For now, it show the error.
Oh, let me edit it. Let me make things right now. Should work now.
Okay. Okay. It's sort and show the background now. That work.
We have to do the same thing for the release date.
Okay. So
No, you can reuse the art title since it's just the same thing. Since you are storing the same thing in the value, so you can just reuse or you can just rename it to, instead of it being title, it can just be class.
yeah. So I'm use the same variable that's name title, right?
No, let's rename the variable to be class in the movie controller.
Uh-huh. The name title, right?
Look at yes, to be class. So it will be self-explanatory then. Oh,
So okay. Okay. Okay.
so instead of it being title.
So we can change this to cast. Okay.
So now you just have to do the same thing for the release date.
Okay. Let's test this. Okay, it still work. So for now, we can create the class for the release date.
Yes. Should I do it? Okay.
Correct.
All right, let's try it out.
Now the movie, when I click it, is turned to the column header background turn to yellow. When I click the release date, it's turned to yellow. Great job. We did the first pass. Okay.
You have to add the ID
Yeah,
attributes.
yeah. So the next thing,
It's just to add the ID.
yeah. So just put at the end of the link to line. The ID of the title header is the title
Title
underscore
header.
header. Yeah. And the ID of the release date header is a release underscore date underscore header.
Header.
Yeah. And
Oh, sorry.
the table ID is the movies, which is already created by the code release header. Okay. Okay. Let's test. Let's test this. Okay. I just open um open the ring of the list and then I inspect the HTML, just examine the header and then it show the ID of the title header is title underscore
Title,
header
header,
and release
release
date
date.
ID is the
Yes.
release date header. Great job. That's all. Maybe let's check the document.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. Hint and queries. Important for getting purpose. Okay. That's all. Maybe that's all. Okay. If it's finished, we commit it. We
So
commit.
open, just open another terminal.
Pardon?
I said you should open another terminal window instead of closing this one.
Okay. Okay. I'm open it. Okay. And then just add all of this and then check setup. Okay. We modify profile, CSS, default, movie controller, index HTML, and then wait, commit am part one complete. Okay, and then push this to Heroku master. Yeah, we put this where it is for building in Heroku. Okay, let's check it at the real side of Heroku. The instance of Heroku is this. I just send you in the.
All right.
Okay, it's work. It's work. It's work. Just check the ID. The ID of face. The ID of the header, and it show as expect. That's all. Great job. Now it's my turn. Let me dive.
So start.
Okay. Okay. Check the document.
All right.
The document for the part two. The part two
Okay.
is okay. The part two is to put the checkbox.
Checkbox is.
Yeah, at the upper part of table. So I copy all of the codes into the index. Okay. And now the document tell me that there are the two things that I need to do. First, we need to create
All rating method.
all the thing. Yeah. So I need to create it
Rating
in the
method.
model.
Model. Yes.
Yeah. So I go to the model movie.rb. So it's lucky for us that the implementation is gone. So we need to create the more class method, not instant method. So we have to start the method with self does all
All
letting.
movies. All ratings.
Yeah. Then okay. And all letting, we just want to create or retrieve all of the rating That's form. Okay, there is one method that called hook. That's called hook. Do you know this method?
No.
I just put it into the chat. This is a method that uh, retrieve the field and then it turn it into the array.
Okay.
Okay. So we just put the rating and then make it unique because for now it is an array. So we use
Yeah. Dot
the
unique.
unique
Unique
and then order.
order.
Uh, that's all. That's all. And then in the controller, okay, we need to create another instant variable name
All rating.
all rating. Yeah, all rating equal to movie.
Movie.
All rating.
All ratings.
Yeah. So let's check it by open. Okay. Oh, I'm
Remove the
sorry.
order. You have,
It's not the order. It is the sort. Not
okay.
order. Sort. Okay. Let's check it again.
But you don't have to sort it.
It show the error that is still new. All listing is new.
Remove the sort. I think just you should remove the sort. Remove.
Okay. Let's remove the sort. Oh, let's remove the unique and then try it again. Why?
You know, use the inspect console.
Pardon?
Inspect it with raid console. Okay, look at my screen. Look at my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see you in skin.
Okay.
What it is? Rail C?
Yeah, Rails console.
Oh, yeah.
It's working.
Okay.
It's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Yes.
So why? Why is not?
Save it now and try it.
Oh, I see it. In the line 19 of the controller,
So you
we
use double at.
double SI. Yeah. Just the typo. Okay.
It's working now.
Okay. But we need to modify a little bit to make it short again. And then okay, it's work. Now we have all of the checkbox. So the movie.rb is done with us.
All right.
All right. Okay, let's check the
So
document again. So Do you want to dive or let me continue?
No, I can drive. Let me drive.
Okay, you.
Okay. So open the document.
Yeah, I open it.
So the controller method needs to set up this variable and okay. You also need to code that figure out how to figure out which boxes the user checked. And okay, so let me start. I'm editing the index.
Okay,
I'm working on okay.
okay, index.
So
So you make it default value.
no, this will make it be checked.
Yeah.
It will be checked. So
Uh-huh.
reload the page, you see it is checked now. They are all checked by
I'm
default.
reloaded, but it not check.
It's not checked.
Yeah.
Uh,
I think the true should be the
third value,
third
yes.
third
Let
parameter.
me
Yeah.
add third parameter.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
I think it's
just
reload it now.
and it work. It all
It
check.
works.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Let's go back to the
now
document.
I have to work in the controller.
Okay,
Okay.
controller.
At this-
Uh-huh.
so
You just retrieve all of the key of the hash
yes,
to assign to the rating variable, and then
you have to order the movie.
you filter it.
Okay, wait, let me remove this code. Code document it out.
Okay, you just comment the first line where so
Everything. Yeah.
you filter all you filter the retrieval data from the
Yes.
rating.
Yes. And let's try it out.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. Let me.
so we can
Bring it up so it
okay.
and try it out now.
Okay.
Undefined
No.
method keys for
Yeah.
nil class.
The param rating is new because I think at first when we check all the checkbox, maybe
Yeah.
even if
Nothing is
it's
nothing is
just
in the
new, it's
parameter.
just new. So we
Okay.
have to check it. It's new.
Oh, let me add trading. Sorry. This is just to pass this step.
Yeah. Use externally operator. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So we need to move the outletting to the top of the function
No, I think it will work this way too.
to put this line at the I I think we should move the 21 line 21 into the 14.
Let me.
Okay, I think it's now I think it's work. Yeah, let me try to filter. I'm check out the R and then R disappear. I move, I check off both PG13 and R and both disappear. That's great. Okay. So for now, at least we can filter it out.
Yeah.
After we press refresh, it's all of the checkbox it was checked. So
Yes. Now we
let's
have to.
okay for now. For the grading purpose, we need to put the ID to the
Yes.
form tag. Yeah, so we come back to the index. The ID is the latings underscore form. Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
yeah, double quote or single quote. Okay, let me check for you that whether is the form is had ID or not. Okay. Yes, it
It's
had the
ID.
ID. Yeah.
So
And then the form
everything stop.
submit
Okay.
button should have the ID of letting submit. And the checkbox itself should have the ID of letting with underscore with the letting name. For example, checkbox PG13 should have the letting underscore PG13 ID. Okay,
It is.
I think
Oh,
it should
oh,
be the
sorry, sorry.
it
ID.
should be ID. Yeah. Boy, how long you work with Ruby on Rails? You
Because I started January this year.
you are so fluent in it. So I think you have to add the S after the letting.
Okay. Okay.
S S and okay. Okay, let's meet test it with the ID. Inspect. Okay, I check off of the form. The form had the letting ID, and the first checkbox is the letting underscore G. Second is the letting underscore PG. Third is the letting underscore PG13, and the last the letting underscore R, and the submit button is the letting submit ID. Great work. That's all correct. Okay, let's check that all of this complete or not.
Make sure that you don't break this with the code. Okay. Try out the sort.
Yeah, try sorting. Okay, it still work. Whoa, you are great, so quick, and it's correct all of it. Okay, don't break. And for now, the display result
Okay,
should
so I think you
go.
should just commit.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Are you about to commit
Are you com are you committing it?
or me?
I said you should commit it and add
Okay,
it,
okay,
commit, then
okay,
push to.
okay. I will commit it. Uh, okay. There are three files that have modified. First, controller, movie, and index. So
Yes, sir.
commit is to complete. Okay, and I put it into Heroku master. Okay, let's check at the Heroku site. Okay, just test the filter. Okay, that's great. Just test the so that's work. Okay, we end. We done with part 2 so quickly because of you. Okay, the last thing. The last thing. Okay, let's swap. Okay, now I'm the dive of the
Okay.
project. Okay, let's check the document. Okay, for now, the user can now click on the movie title and release dates and see the movie sorting by column and use the checkbox to restrict the listing to movie. So we now have to
Preserve restfulness.
both filter and sorting. So I'm return to the controller and then okay, I just use this. First of all, for now, when we refresh or when we come into this page, it just when we click the header, the sort the filter it disappear, and when we click the refresh, um,
Yeah.
the sort it disappear. So we at first we need to store it into the session
Yes.
to remember. So um, we need to put we need to create the session. I put the session in this.
Then at rating.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, okay, there are the search,
So
search section. If is the if the param header is nil, check header. Okay. If nil, we put the empty string
yeah.
or put the
Params.
param. So then we apply instead of padding, we apply session and okay, and then instead of assort, we apply SOC. Okay. Okay. I hope it's work.
It will work. Just for now, it will work.
Oh, maybe when every time the page is lost, each
Uh, it should. Okay. Let me add something. Are you
okay.
listening? Uh,
Okay.
I want to add something in the index.html.
Okay.
Okay. So instead of true, should be if. Oh, sorry.
Include.
Rating. I mean, we are looping through the all rating.
Yeah.
So if after you are using the rating to create each checkbox.
Yep.
So instead of saying true for every checkbox, if the rating is already inside the params to the rating, so it should be false. Instead, it should be true.
Okay. And I think this is a you should add the assign.
Yes, false.
Yeah.
Yes, you have else true.
Uh-huh.
And let's try it out.
Oh, but I think you should this.
Okay, no, no, no.
No, really?
Yes, yes. This rating. Look at this. This is the rating we are using.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. I understand.
let's try it out.
Okay.
Error. Let me see. It's saying undefined method include for nil class. So it
Oh.
should be if params to the rating first. Okay.
Oh.
I okay now.
Done?
Yeah, yeah, it's done.
Okay.
So now refresh it.
Yeah, I refresh this and then I try. Yeah. For now, the problem is when we click refresh the first time, it's check all. And then when we check the second time, is check off all.
Okay. I know the problem is let me check
Or
because I add this first.
maybe
Okay,
we should use the
remove the
session.
first. So now try it now. Try it now.
Okay, try it.
Try it now.
Yeah. It's work now. What is the thing you have done?
Is it working?
You just if letting if it
You
mean
know this params to the rating will return either true or
oh
false. So
okay.
instead of saying true or false, it should return true or false for each rating.
Uh-huh. Okay,
Let,
understand.
so try. Is it working now?
Okay.
It's working now.
Okay, but when
So
we click on the title, uh,
uh, let me fix that. Check on the index of HTML.
yep.
Okay, so I'm editing the table head for the movie title.
Okay. So
So
you push this into Palam, right?
yes.
Okay.
Let's check it out. It should fail. It should fail. Is it working?
Yeah. No. It show.
Error. Okay, I know why it's showing that
Yeah.
error. So let's use debugger to check for the error. Let's keys. Let's add the debugger here. Are you in your controller code? Controller code.
Yeah. I see it. And then reload it again.
So you can check for. Can I see
Okay. Oh, I don't see anything. It seemed like my terminal was hot.
okay, same thing happens for me. It's connecting now.
I I just look into your hangout, okay?
It's connecting. My camera was hot. It's connecting.
Oh, okay.
Are you back on? Yeah, try to check for ratings.
Sorry, your sound just not clear. May you talk it again?
I said check what is stored inside or at ratings. Check all the variables. No, at ratings, not all ratings.
Ready?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, and yes.
Okay.
Then
New. Okay.
name. Check for params to the ratings. Params.
Sorry.
check for params ratings. Yes.
Okay. For now, Param didn't has anything. Just
It's empty.
it's
Ratings.
empty.
Okay. So the ratings is already a key.
Because for now uh we just refresh for the new session, so it's empty. I think is correct because it should be empty.
Yes.
So we finish it. Okay. Whoa.
It's saying line 17. Line 17 is the problem. So params to the rating now is nil. So I am assigning params to the rating dot keys. So I think what should we should be doing, this is how I solve the problem. Look at can you see my code?
Look at what?
Look at my screen. Your
Yeah,
controller
yeah,
dot
yeah,
RB.
yeah, yeah. I see. I look at it now.
Okay. So now I'm using the session.
Okay. You put the session first and then params.
Second.
Yeah.
I'm
You
coming. Let me see how I did this design. Because I think I put the
okay. Do you think we should do the same with the session source?
yes, I'm coming around first before session.
Yeah, yeah. I think so.
So this line should be commented out.
Okay.
This line also should be commented out.
Okay.
Now we have to just let me remove this debugger. Where's the add sort? So you just have to add the code that will check for sessions.
Okay.
I think this is the last part.
But where we put the assign the value to session?
If
Whoa. Your code is so short and beautiful.
thank you. Session.
Whoa, can we do something like this in Ruby?
Yes, yes.
Oh, superb.
So now we just have to move this line
Uh-huh.
down.
Okay. So
Maybe down here.
we need an n after the n
And
if.
and after the if. I
Yeah.
always forget to put that. Move it to everything. Then add the order.
Yeah.
Order by add sort. So
So
we can rename this from add sort to sort instead of having it reflect in the view. So we can just make it to only work for to only be inside this controller variable. You
mhm.
get what I say? So it should just be a local variable inside this index action instead of it being a instance variable.
Okay.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Then you should just remove these sessions to the rating.
Okay.
It just be at rating.
Yeah.
So let's try it out if you
Okay. I just reload the app. But why it takes so long? Oh, the debugger
the
still
debugger.
running. Yeah, just finish the debugger. Then it show the
Unex-
exception.
unexpected expecting keyword end. Okay. Ah, there's an end here now.
Uh-huh. Okay, reload it again. It
Unexpected identifier. Expecting keyword end. But there's an end there now. Line 25.
it seems like do we need to push the parentheses over the where and order?
No, we don't.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Have you seen the error?
It still show an error.
I think we need to put the parentheses.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Alright. There you go. Okay, just add the parentheses. Then. I think yes.
No.
It's still not working. Wait, let's try it now.
Okay. Is this a new?
21.
Okay, we need to.
Okay. Remove
Yeah,
this
yeah,
line.
the line
Comment this line
21.
out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Try
try
it
it
now.
again. Yeah, it's work
It's working.
now. It's working, but it show the error when we click the refresh.
Let me
No,
try.
no column. Wait.
Remove. Let me see. no such column, rating.g, select movies from rating.
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at the error. Movie.html movie.
Okay.
Let me see the error, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. SQL, no such column. Refresh now. Refresh.
I refresh this, and for now it not show anything. So I think the problem is in
No such
sort.
column.
Yeah, it in sort.
Okay, let's read the parameters. The parameters is ratings G1, G. Okay. Let Okay, I've seen the error. You see the error.
Yellow,
So it's
yellow as where?
so in the ratings, in the sessions, we should just do session ratings on keys.
Oh, yeah.
Let's try it out now.
And what about the param, the key?
We have to make it keys also, but it may fail somewhere. Let's check
Okay,
this.
okay. Session now is the new cast because it will.
Try it. It's working now.
Okay, let me refresh this.
Is it working for you?
Pardon?
Try it out. It's working now.
Working. It's not working. It still have the error at the same line. I think
Okay.
for now both param at the first load. For now, both
It's
param
working.
rating, all of
Let
it
me
is
see.
new.
Click on the error session. New. Params to the ratings. Hello?
Hello, yeah.
I said, oh no, uncomment it. Uncomment it.
Our comment.
No. Leave it. I said, click on the tab where you have the site open.
I can understand.
I mean, click on the app. The app where it's running. Okay.
Click on the app tab. Okay.
Okay. Then undefined method keys for nil class. Params to the ratings of keys.
I think both param and session is new now because it is the first load.
Yes. I think what we should be doing instead of saying perhaps to the okay. Let me remove these keys. So yeah, it should be ratings dot keys.
Anyway, we will still get an error in this line.
Have you
If
tried check the line 26 in controller.rb?
uh,
You see what I had? I added this line, this dot keys. Can you
okay,
see it? So instead of checking for a nil key, it should be why it is checking in the while it's checking in database, you should be using the dot keys in the database.
Okay.
Do you understand what I did? You know this art rating is an hash. No method keys for new class.
Yeah.
Save
I
it and it's working now. Oh,
it's
you should
not.
save it. Save your copy. Save it first.
Yeah, it's already saved. Okay.
No, it's not saved. Now
Okay.
try it.
For
I think
now.
we should add a debugger. Let me add a debugger somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me add a debugger here.
Okay.
So reload the page.
So I will reload it. Okay.
So look at my page. Can you see what I'm doing?
New.
Okay, I'm coming.
New.
Okay. So,
I think it's new. Also. Yeah.
no. So
So we can. I think if we want to fix it at the line 27, may
uh,
you would would you mind if I edit at the line 27?
no problem. No problem.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, sorry. So go ahead. Go ahead.
For now, is the rating it has G and PG. Okay.
But for
So,
me, it's working. You know what I'll say? Hello. Can
hello.
you hear
Yeah.
me? Say,
Yeah.
first remove the changes. For me, it's working here. For me,
Really?
it's working. But what I'll say is maybe you should remove your if you first cut as a cut your changes first, then reload the page, then stop the as in the Ruby the Rails server, then
Okay.
restart the Rails server. Let's check it out
Okay.
that way. You just have to do this. Okay, there's a debugger.
Yeah. For,
Then continue. No method keys for name class. Where is it coming? 18. Okay. This we have to add. You see what I
Yeah.
did?
Yeah. Yeah.
When we have this, so at the first run, there will be nothing inside params to the oh sorry,
Yeah.
there will be nothing inside params to the rating, sessions to the rating, and you understand what this will do. So at the first run, it will be new, and this will be empty. So you just have to check if
Mm-hmm.
params. Oh, let me move this one. Let me just do this first. Oh, so I always like to avoid end. So,
Okay.
so now it's to try it.
Okay.
Reload the page now. So then check at ratings.
Pardon? Check what?
Look at ratings.
Okay. Okay.
So now you say params.
New. Yeah.
So session.
New. For sure.
Yes, yes, new. So but now it's working now. All you just have to do is edo. So let's remove the debugger. Let's remove the debugger.
Okay.
So now you try to reload the page.
It's just an
Undefined method keys for.
array. It is an array.
So now let's add a debugger. I know this will happen, but so let's add the debugger back. So let's reload the page so we can figure out what's going on.
I think for now the listing is a
It's an
array.
array.
Yeah.
So instead of what that's what I'm trying to do on the line. I'm saying if ratings is empty. So now you just have to add an if statement instead of this. Check line 28. Can you see line 28? Hello?
Yeah.
Line 28.
What is you? Okay.
This line 28, we have to remove this dot keys.
Uh huh.
Then so we have to add an if statement to it that if just have to add ratings is equals at ratings dot keys if at ratings dot keys. You understand what I did? Line 24.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm saying the at ratings, it should be at ratings dot keys if only the at ratings is an hash. So if
Yeah.
it's not an hash, if it's an array, it should just be normal ratings. So
Okay.
exit the debugger and continue.
I just reload it. You check it.
Oh, let
You
me. I think you should let me comment out the debug.
pardon?
I just commented out the debugger.
Okay.
So
Okay. It
I
show.
think
I think it show now. Whoa. Finally, we see. Okay. Okay. You are superb. It's now. It show all of it.
but there's one error that we haven't fixed yet. That's what it took.
Okay. For now, it's work all. We
But there's one
can.
error that we haven't fixed yet. Are you there?
Yeah. I'm still here.
I said there's one error that we haven't fixed yet, which is this if sessions to the sort and this on this line 27.
27.
27. And
Uh-huh.
you know they said if the sort if you add new if you add new sorts to the params, I have new ratings to the params. So the page should reload back to your new session instead of your previous session. You understand what I'm saying?
Can you type? I
Okay,
don't. I
okay,
don't. Sorry. I don't understand.
okay. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
I understand. I
Okay.
understand it. If you share your parameters and pronunciation, you should be redirected to a new page. Yep. Redirect with a RESTful UI.
Yes. So let me add the code in the controller in the controller line
Yeah.
27.
For now, I'm in the controller.
Okay.
To movie
Which
plus.
part? Wait, let me see. Try it out. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. For now, I leave this and then check off R. Okay. It show. Okay. I then click the movie and it show the URL in both sort. Okay. Okay. Okay, for now, it show the URI show both rating and sort. So there is one thing I need to click to go the detail page and then click back to the movie list. Yeah, it still show the
Is
same result.
yeah.
Your version of code is look simple and beautiful than me.
So I think we are done with everything. We have completed the assignment.
Okay. Do you think we are done with it?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay.
So you just have to commit,
Yeah.
then push to Iroko.
Yes. Okay. And now go to Heroku and try to check off PG-13 and R, and then it filter out and then sort the release. For now, the URI have both the rating and the release dates. Okay, it's great. And we finish this in such a short term. Okay, I'm glad to pair with you today because I get a lot of experience from you. Thank you. Great work.
Have to. I think you have to end the pair programming now because you have completed it.
Sorry for my skill for the listening because sometimes I'm not used to your accent, but I try to practice to listen to your accent for the next of time. And next time, if we have a chance to pair again, maybe we have the better skill of both coding and listening. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank
Okay.
you very much. So you will send me the link to the
Sure.
pair programming.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
All right.
Sure.
Thanks.